Okay, so we want to do the stop motion app inside Chrome. You can do this with like any computer that has a webcam. You can do it with a Chromebook. If you're going to do it on a Chromebook, though, it's really important that you're logged in as the student's personal account or the administrator's personal account, like a teacher's personal account. You cannot do this on a guest account. The guest account is locked down. They don't let you install apps. So once you're logged in as you just open up a browser window, and I just look up, the fastest way I got to it was doing stop motion Chrome or Chromebook. And the first thing that shows up is this thing called stop motion animator on the Chrome store. And you can't really look for it in the Chrome web store because it wants to do like an extension, and this is an app, which is a whole separate deal. But you should get to this particular page, stop motion animator, and made by this guy called S. Zager. And then you just hit add to Chrome. And if it is your account, you're giving it permission to use your camera. It's giving permission to access the files and folders, which is why it won't work in the guest account. You hit add app. It will download something usually, and then install it. And now you have this in your apps, and the kids will see this in their Chromebooks when they click on the little app button in the bottom of their Chromebook. You click on that, and there you are. And you can hit on and off. You can capture things, play and stop. It looks like you can record audio, and you can hit save. How to use this is a whole separate deal.